I am looking at USDCAD, caught two nice ones today, put out a lot of analysis. I'm watching for price to go lower because there is a higher time frame inefficiency to fill in, an imbalance. And I'm thinking that price will fill that imbalance after impulsing to the high and creating a new highs. At the previous daily high, we broke through that, but didn't stay there. We closed below it, and it looks like price will have a return to impulse down here. I found a 3-hour order block here, which has the potential to turn price around and continue higher. I think it's going to go higher. Why? Why do I think it's going to go higher? Because I was looking at the daily price impulse down, and I think we are going to be returning to impulse here on the higher time frame. And the higher time frames are the ones that dictate what's going to happen and who's going where and all that good stuff. So I am looking at, let me see, did I get rid of all of that stuff? Yeah, I might have. I was looking at, I guess I did lose it. I'm not sure if I did. Yeah, there you go. I returned to impulse here to this order block up here, and then come back down for to make a lower high and then a lower low, as this is bearish, and we had a lovely transition of price with that head and shoulders there, impulsing down to make the low, the lower low, lower high, lower low. So I see some good things happening here. So on the 4-hour, I'm looking for that return to impulse and then continue higher towards that lower high, where we'll find some buyer side liquidity, right? And then we have inefficient price movement to fill in the imbalances to fill in along the way. And we should be trading above the previous daily high. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know if that's going to happen today. It looks like today we'll just see that temporary bearish movement down to return to impulse here. Now, I also put out this morning in the chat, in my little section here, hold on, let's see. I put out a lot of analysis on USDCAD prior to the US Open, the Open Bell, the New York Open, rather. Some people call it the New York Open. And I had a good plan, and I basically explained what I said earlier, taking some screenshots, noticing the transition of price from bearish to bullish, noticing the previous daily highs, where the liquidity is, the break of structure, which is most important. Where's the last break of structure? Because there's going to be some action after that break of structure. And this is the 1 hour. We had the top of the trading range here, and the bottom, we played inside of that for internal liquidity, building up this internal liquidity points here, here, here. And I'm thinking price will eventually sweep those on the 1 hour, right? Oh, I was actually thinking I could move that screen. All right. Got these internal liquidity here. I had price coming down here to make the higher low, and returning to impulse, noting the transition of price so that we can get a little higher, and caught that doozy this morning, and it hit our POI and gave that bullish reaction. That's what I was counting on. I got 3R on that one. Then it came back lower inside the same order block, the 1 hour order block that I had highlighted. And I said, we probably might see something like this over here. And we got that bullish reaction. And this came with the news. I went to break even, directing everybody to go to break even to protect their capital. All right. And as of recent, I'm looking at price coming down here like I had described earlier. And I'm making note. I don't know what just happened just now. What was that about? I really don't know. I'm perplexed. Why did it do that? I don't know. Anyway, so, but I'm watching this transition of price here. I'm hoping that the analysis holds and this comes right through. And we'll see. But that's where I'm at. And I just wanted to share that with you. And I will see you in the next video.